Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mehak and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this Christmas makeup look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to start by applying the Loreal Infallible foundation with a brush. All the products I'm using today will be listed down in the description box. Next, I'm going to apply the Maybelline concealer under and over my eyes and blending it out with my finger. For the eyes, I'll be using the Patricia Bright palette by Makeup Revolution, and first I'm going to take the shade called Angel and apply that all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take the shade called Workaholic on the fluffy blending brush and apply that in my crease and outer corner, forming a V shape. Next, I'm going to take Pricked and Busy and use it to deepen up the crease. Next, I'm going to take the mixture of Pure Soul and No Drama on a small brush and use it to further intensify the crease. For the lid, I'm applying the shade called Diamonds for Breakfast with my finger. Next, I'm going to take this black shade and use it as an eyeliner. And then I'm going to blend it out using Pure Soul. Taking the mixture of Pricked and Busy and Workaholic on a pencil brush, I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. I'm going to bronze my face using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Applying the blush by the balm in shade called Frat Boy. Highlighting the highest points of my face using the Glow Getter highlighter by Nykaa. Lastly, for the lips, I first applied Velvet Teddy by Mehak and then Ruby Woo on top. And that completes the look. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.